Ciao Tesla people, I'm back in Radda in Chianti. I guess I love this place, and taking another ride around the Chianti region. And here, if you see a bunch of the valley with full of vineyards. Again, in this region what they did is, since it's mountains and big hills, they took land from the woods and they replaced with the vineyards mostly, and some olive trees. And this region is the Chianti Classico, which is the DOCG Black Rooster wine, which is the best wine of Chianti. Okay, so it's a special part of the Chianti region. It's full of tourists. Most of them, which is interesting, are coming from Netherlands. I mean, out of 10 foreign cars, probably 7, 8 are from Netherlands, which is pretty interesting, pretty cool. I guess the Chianti region is very famous for people from Holland. I'm very, very surprised. Pleasantly, a good surprise for me. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to take a ride around the region here. Maybe trying to find some small town. Temperature here is 32 degrees, and I stopped at the park here. And it was nice. It wasn't too hot, but as I go down, maybe it's going to be much warmer. Okay. And here is the temperature. I made the update yesterday, so you get the weather. So it's 32 degrees right now. It's 1 o'clock almost. Then it's going to be 34. Yeah. And AQI actually is moderate, 60, and humidity is low, 39%, which is good. And that's it. So let me. I'm going to figure out on the map where to go next. Okay, so I'll see you in a bit. So I'm back home from a nice ride. After Radda and Chianti, I went to Castelnuovo Berardenga, which is south of Radda and Chianti, closer to Siena. And I took around a ride around there, the Crete Senesi, which are all the hills around Siena. It's very beautiful places. I did a time lapse, so hopefully it came out good. I didn't stop at Castelnuovo Berardenga because it was 39 degrees Celsius, almost 40. And, you know, walking around at 40 degrees is not fun. Anyway, it was a nice ride. Everything went well. Car is great. And I took the highway from Siena to back to Florence. That's it. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people!